actually get funding for your business, even if you haven't made one single dollar, even if you haven't even opened yet. As long as you have that LLC started, you're all set. There is a very unique type of funding called capital stacking. Most people have never even heard about it. Reason why it's so amazing is yes, you don't have to have made one single dollar. Reason being, it doesn't require any financials, no tax returns, no bank statements, nothing. What it does is it can get you up to $200,000, all at 0% interest, zero, for up to 2 years, and it comes as business credit, which means it doesn't reflect on your personal credit report. This is other people's money. You can use this for anything. Down payments for real estate transactions, crypto, stock trading, buying a business, expanding a business, business inventory, equipment. There is literally nothing that you can't use capital stacking for. And for those of you that are going to argue and say, I don't need another business credit card, you can liquidate.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you that I don't need another business credit card. I'm going to argue with you that this is BS, right? People that have up to $200,000 to invest are not looking to give it to people who don't have a business, don't have any credit, haven't put any money into anything, and have no way of paying it back. They're not randomly handing out money for you to invest in real estate. Maybe you'll make it work, maybe you won't. Or to invest in stocks or crypto trading. Maybe you'll lose it all, but there's no consequences. You didn't have any money in it. You know, it's all just fake paper business, LLC, BS, whatever, that somehow entitles you to this up to $200,000. I don't know what exactly she's pitching or how she's talking about capital stacking. Of course, like always with these things, they never give enough details for you to actually be able to evaluate what they're saying. But there is no free money. There's not even easy money. And there's certainly nobody running around, no businesses, no investors running around handing out to random people with no credit, no background, no business, no cash flow, $200,000 to do what they want with. Just stop and ask yourself for a second, does that make any sense? No, it doesn't make any sense. Therefore, it's not real. It's not really happening. It's not something anyone can just go sign up and get $200,000 to play around with no consequences and no repercussions and no comebacks to them. It's just, that's not a real thing. So I don't know what her scam is. Maybe you have to pay money to access these lenders and then you find out they don't really lend to you, or you have to have some other collateral, you have to do something else, you have to put your house on the line. But I guarantee whatever the catch is, there's some catch. And the fact that it's shady and she's selling it on TikTok, she's pitching it this way with no details, it just tells you that's how shady it is. It's not even worth the time to go investigate how it might work because it's not going to work.